Did you know Google Chrome saves every website you visit and every search you make? If your browser feels slow, your history is cluttered, or you simply want more privacy, this video will show you exactly how to delete search history in Google Chrome. Step by step, and the best part, it only takes a few seconds. Okay, so first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So friend, here you can see this is my Google Chrome, and simply click on it, this three dot icon, and then click on this settings. And here friend, you simply click on this privacy and security, and here you will get delete browser data. Okay, you simply click on it, and friend, here you will see two things. You simply click on this browser history, okay, and then see more. Here you will see the download history autofill option. You simply select the browsing history, okay, and then click on this delete data. So what happens, this will delete your search history and browsing history. So friend, if this video will help you, then please click on like button and subscribe our YouTube channel, because this type of video we are uploading daily over here and you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.